This machine could change t-shirt printing forever. I printed this t-shirt with the back neck label, sleeve hit, an awesome chest graphic, hang tag, and I printed the box with this mystery machine right here. And the video starts right now.
I know a thing or two about DTF printers. They're awesome, but they're not perfect. There's mess, maintenance, and clogs, to say the least. Now, a company contacted me and said they have a whole new type of DTF printer. And I was like, yeah, right. They said they reinvented the DTF printer and they wanted to prove it to me.
So I took a look at it on my phone and was blown away. It has a touchscreen click-to-bake functionality, meaning all you do is press print and you get a finished transfer at the end. It has an AI camera to keep your artwork crispy, one-click cleaning and 24-hour maintenance, and it prints on damn near anything.
And once I took a look at it, I said,
I like you, no emoji.
I hit him back and I said, I'll take it, thanks. This was top secret, so it came late at night. I went outside, it was in a big truck. Came in 2 big old boxes. There it is, Apparel Printer by xTool.
So we got it inside and we set it up.
First box open, contents of the second box in this corner. Now here's our DTF printer.
You might be saying, yeah, it looks good, but that's just a regular DTF printer.
Not true. You take the DTF printer and you put it on top of the shaker oven and it makes one unit. And there it is, all dressed up and ready to go.
Welcome to DTF 101.
DTF stands for direct to film. Unlike your standard printer that prints on paper, DTFs print on film, hence the term direct to film. They also use white ink, which prints a nice underbase that the other colors go on top of, and it looks fantastic.
Now back to our regularly scheduled programming.
Now let's load the software, install it, find our printer, and now we can make our first print.
T-shirts that we're printing are based on cats, and I'm showing cats how a lot of us feel about them. They're evil. Just kidding.
So we have our Frankenstein cat here. Oh, look at that. And if you go up, I have 2 back neck labels and a sleeve hit right here. And we're gonna go down here and hit print. It's printing the color and then the white underbase on top. Once printed, it slides out into the shaker oven.
Now guys, when it comes to curing a DTF print, you could do it 2 ways.
We can do it the easy way or the hard way.
The hard way is manually adding the powder and sliding it over the art. So many of you hated that. The easy way is simply letting the shaker oven do all the work for you. It slides right out and into the oven. What you didn't see was me adding the powder to the shaker oven. Safety first, you just throw it in the tray, slide it in, and you're golden. The shaker oven adds your adhesive and heats it for curing, and you can see the progress right here, and then boom, it pops out the bottom. So all you have to do is click print, and you end up with a print. Let's grab it, admire it. I know what this needs, a heat press. A good old auto press will do. Let's throw it on here. We're gonna line it up with that alignment ruler. That's what the pros use. Link down in the description. You use the holes to adjust it. And it looks good. Add our Teflon sheet, slide it in. Let's make some magic. Round 320, 15 seconds, heavy pressure, and let's peel. Frankenstein cat lives. Look at the colors, look at the vibrancy, and look at that stretch. But we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna do the sleeve hit. We're gonna put something soft underneath, add it, and we're gonna use our mini press from HTV Ront. And look at that. Same thing, always get rip away tags. We're gonna add that back neck label, 15 seconds. Let's admire our work. Look at that, back neck hit, sleeve hit, and the beautiful Frankenstein cat. How awesome is that? But also, did you know you can also print boxes? Now we're gonna take this print and cut it up. Let's lay out our box. Let's add our artwork. We're gonna add a Teflon sheet on top, throw it in. Same thing, and peel Bad Kitty. You can also do hang tags. Let's lay this out. We're gonna add that little DTF print, add our Teflon sheet right on that little thing. All right, let's hit that button again. Links for the tags and the boxes are in the description box. We're gonna peel and check out that. Now, let's throw it all together. We're gonna add our hang tag and we're gonna put it right in a seam on the neck so that we don't make an extra hole. So we're gonna put our needle through the hole in the tag and then we're gonna place it right in the seam and then we're gonna shoot it. Look at that, we have a beautiful t-shirt with a tag. Look how professional that looks. Now let's make our box. Okay, we're gonna put our box together. It's so simple and easy. I'm gonna fold our shirt nice and neat, put it in the box, close it, start a t-shirt business or die trying.
Now guys, this is not available to the general public yet. I got mine because I'm special. They put our information on this printer and the response was overwhelming, raising over $1 million, all right? I want you to go down in the description box and check it out and get on the list to get your own. This thing is revolutionizing the t-shirt industry, the home printing industry, and of course, there's no other DTF printer like it.
And sign up for the T-Shirt Help Desk newsletter and get the T-Shirt Business Quick Start Guide. We go over choosing a niche, designing shirts, marketing and promotion, buying blanks, pricing, creating an online store, and so much more. And it's free. Link in description.
DTF printing just got a major upgrade. If you want to know more about DTF, there's a video right here. Then I put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.